Hey everyone, welcome back today. We are discuss amazing facts about hummingbird. Fact number 1. Hummingbirds are the smallest birds on the planet. The bee hummingbird found in Cuba is the smallest bird species, measuring just 5 to 6 centimeters to 2.4 inches in length and weighing only 1.6, 2 grams, 0.056, 0.071 ounces. Fact number 2. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. They achieve this by rapidly flapping their wings in a figure-8 pattern, allowing them to maneuver with incredible agility and precision. Fact number 3. Hummingbirds have the highest metabolism of any homeothermic animal on Earth. Their hearts can beat up to 1,260 times per minute, and they breathe up to 250 times per minute when active. If you enjoy this short, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.